Good day everyone, especially to Sir Paulino Artagalo, our instructor in Forensic 5. And today, I will be discussing the parts and functions of polygraph machine. And first, a lie detector, also known as a polygraph, is a device used to determine whether a person is telling the truth or lying. It works by measuring and recording several physiological responses of the body, such as breathing, blood pressure, pulse rate, and skin conductivity. These bodily reactions may change when a person is being deceptive. The polygraph machine has several important components that help record these body responses. First is pneumograph. The pneumograph is a part of the lie detector that measures a person's breathing pattern. It records how fast or slow a person's breathe and any changes in their breathing during questioning. The pneumograph is made up of two units. First is pneumograph chest assembly. This is the belt or tube placed around the chest or abdomen of the person being tested. Its purpose is to detect the expansion and contraction of the chest during breathing. Second is pneumograph recording unit. This is the part of the machine that receives the breathing signals from the chest assembly and records them on the chart so the examiner can analyze the breathing pattern. 2. Cardiosphemograph. The cardiosphemograph is the component that measures the cardiovascular activity of a person. It records the blood pressure and pulse rate while the person is answering questions. The parts of the cardiosphemograph include: first, blood pressure cuff assembly. This is the cuff placed around the upper arm of the subject. It is used to measure and monitor the blood pressure during the polygraph examination. Second, pump bulb assembly. This is the rubber pump used to inflate the blood pressure cuff so that the machine can properly measure the pulse and blood pressure. The third one is vent. The vent is a small valve used to release the air from the blood pressure cuff after it has been inflated, allowing the cuff to return to normal pressure. 3. Galvanograph component. The galvanograph component measures the electrical conductivity of the skin, which changes when a person sweats due to stress, anxiety, or nervousness. This is also called the galvanic skin response or GSR. Small sensors are usually attached to the fingers or palm to detect these changes. 4. Chemograph component. The chemograph component is the recording part of the lie detector machine. It is responsible for producing the chart or graph that shows the physiological reactions of the subject. In conclusion, the lie detector works by recording different physiological reactions of the body through the pneumograph, cardiosphemograph, galvanograph, and chemograph components. The examiner can observe changes in breathing, blood pressure, pulse, and skin conductivity during questioning. Other parts and functions of polygraph machine. Pen lifter raises or lowers pens to 3 positions. Program pacer, programmable queuing device for question and answering spacing. Paper tear bar provides cutting edge for convenient removal of charts. Foam pen hold down keeps pen in place when instrument is being transferred. Attached compartment storage for all forms and supplies. Accessory storage and optional calibration checking fixture. Slightly smaller in Executive Ultra Scribe. Subject connections. Stylish grouping provides neat, professional appearance. Mechanical pneumo module. Recording part of mechanical pneumo channel. Paper storage compartment holds the spare rolls of chart paper. Galvanic skin response module recording part of GSR channel. Multi-function module selectable recording can be used as A. Electronic pneumo channel, B. Electronic cardio channel, C. Cardio activity monitor, D. Cardio or tech or other accessories. Mechanical cardio channel recording part of mechanical cardio module. AC power receptacle power cords connects here. International standard. Power switch and circuit breaker applies power to instrument. Chart drive roller, lever, leaps chart drive roller for paper changes. Power analyzer automatically indicates whether wall outlets is properly wired. Stimulus marker marks significant events on the chart. Sphygmomanometer dial read operating pressure of cardio channels. Pneumo 1, pneumatic connection for upper. Pneumo 2, pneumatic connection for lower abdominal. Cuff pneumatic connection for cardio channel subject cuff tubing. Pump pneumatic connection for hand pump used to inflate subject cuff. And the last one, mechanical cardio switch. Disengage mechanical cardio module from the pneumatic system for low pressure electronic cardio operations. So that's it. That is my reporting for my report for parts and functions of polygraph machine. Thank you and goodbye. Bye.